Raw, unprocessed facts and figures are called dash. Dash is data that has been processed to be meaningful. The dash hierarchy represents the stages from data to wisdom. Digital activities leave behind a dash, which can impact privacy. Dash is the unintentional loss of data due to various reasons like hardware failure or accidental deletion. Dash refers to retrieving lost, deleted, or inaccessible data. In the DIKW hierarchy, dash comes after information and represents synthesized information. The influence of dash on daily life includes personalized recommendations and decision-making. The transition from information to dash involves applying insights in practical, decision-making contexts. A dash strategy is essential for mitigating the risks associated with data loss.